Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Handling Multithreaded DNS Requests with Python Interpreter. Introduction. Multithreading is a powerful technique for parallelizing tasks in a Python program. However, when performing DNS requests in a multi-threaded environment, you may encounter unexpected behavior due to Python's global interpreter lock, GIL, and limitations in certain libraries. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to work with multi-threaded DNS requests in Python and overcome any potential roadblocks. The global interpreter lock, GIL, is a mutex in CPython, the default Python interpreter, that allows only one thread to execute Python code at a time. This means that even in a multi-threaded environment, CPython will execute only one thread at a time. This can affect the performance of multi-threaded programs, especially if they are I/O bound. To work around the GIL in multi-threaded programs, you can use the threading module and asynchronous programming with libraries like Asyncio. The threading module in Python allows you to create and manage threads. You can use it to perform DNS requests in parallel threads. Below is a basic example of how to use threads for DNS requests. In this example, we create a separate thread for each host name and resolve it using the socket.getHostByName function. This allows the DNS resolutions to happen concurrently. To overcome the GIL and achieve better performance for I/O bound tasks like DNS requests, you can also use the Asyncio library for asynchronous programming. This approach is particularly useful when you need to handle many concurrent DNS requests efficiently. Here's an example of using Asyncio for asynchronous DNS requests. In this example, we define an asynchronous function to resolve host names using loop.getAddrInfo. We create a list of tasks, each representing a DNS resolution for a host name, and gather them to run concurrently. Finally, we close the event loop. Handling multi-threaded DNS requests in Python can be accomplished using the threading module for basic parallelism and Asyncio for efficient asynchronous I/O bound operations. By understanding the limitations of the global interpreter lock, GIL, and using the appropriate approach, you can make your DNS requests faster and more efficient in a multi-threaded environment. ChatGPT.